Hello guys, welcome to this video. On this video I'll be sharing with you some amazing things to consider if you are among those who want to make money from these crypto mini games, this tap to earn and so on, right? This is very important, right? Now the aim of most of these projects is to get you to become adopters, is to get you to hold their tokens, is to get you to be part of their project, so that as they have this huge audience, it's going to increase their volume as activities will be performing on chain. Now, most of exchanges will be listing them because of the volume they'll be having and so on. And more transaction will equal to more profit for some of these platforms. So they are going to be considering them. Now, they are bringing you into the Web3 space. If you are new to the crypto space or you are new to Web3 space, let me explain the difference between Web 1, Web 2, Web 3. In the case of Web 1, we're having things like an encyclopedia where only the rich could be able to distribute or upload content or share content. Yours is just to consume. You can't contribute to the world of Web 1. When Web 2 came, Web 2 gave us the ability to socialize, right? They allowed us to upload content to there was this form of centralization, right? But when Web3 came, Web3 gave us the platform and the privilege to do things at our convenience and with some form of privacy. So when you hear Web3, that is decentralization and distribution they are referring to. And the most important word to use is blockchain technology. That's where you and I have the privacy to do anything we want without the interference of the government or anything. For instance, if you are creating a wallet or an account with a Web2 platform, you'll be asked to use your full name, your email, you upload your profile picture like the likes of Facebook and so on, right? If you have issue with your account, there's that possibility that they can limit your account, they can restrict your account, they can do one or two to your account. But when it comes to Web3, you are the sole proprietor of your account. You control what happens to your account, even though these are registered on platforms. But then your account, which in some cases works with your wallet, where the non-custodial wallet comes in, you are the only one that has control of what happens in the blockchain, like what happens on your wallet or your account. And in creating such non-custodial wallet, you will not be asked for email, you will not be asked for your full name. All they need to do is just create the wallet and have your phrases, your security keys, your private keys given to you, where you have to secure them. If anybody have access to any of these private keys, your account stands the chance or the risk of compromise, right? But then it is under your control until there's any form of compromise, which could be maybe some form of carelessness, where you share your private key or you interact with any link you don't know. These are the only ways your account can be compromised. Any outside that will be maybe somebody have access to your private key. Right now, back to the things I would want anybody who is onboarded into this Web3 or onboarded into this mini game, this tap to hold on to. Now you are coming to the space with this promise or with this expectation that you are going to make money from airdrop, of which at the end of the day is not everybody that will make money, because some persons will do more better than others, some persons will make more money than others, some others we have so much expectation on project that you will be so disappointed, just like many persons are so disappointed right now in the case of Pixabas, right? Some persons got NFT, others got common NFT, others got legendary, others got rare NFT. Some never got any allocations. Everybody is foaming, right? That is how it should. If they are to give allocations to everybody, it's not going to work out, because just imagine the millions of people partaking in most of this project. If they are to reward everybody accordingly, it will require a huge sum of capital to do that. And it's going to be a very difficult one, right? So some persons will definitely have more than others. It is normal. But then I will encourage you to be part of those that will be winning or be giving allocations. And that has to do with how serious you are, how you are following instructions, how active you are, how you are, some of these criteria, how you're able to meet them, right? Now, the next thing I want you to consider is the fact that as you are coming into this space, as you are coming to make money, as you are coming to Lambo, whatever it is you want to term it, I would want you to have this at the back of your mind. The money you are coming to get, once you have access to it, if you know your laptop is giving you issue, if you know your smartphone is disturbing you, is not allowing you to do some of these things because there are some phones that are not compatible with some projects, all you need to do is please use whatever it is you get from any of these projects. If it is reasonable enough to give you a good laptop or a good phone, please go ahead and use it to do that, right? So that you don't waste the funds. At the end of the day, it looks like you came for something and you went home with nothing, right? And secondly, before you start investing into projects, right, you're making money from the airdrops and somebody is telling you to invest into a potential project. Please, as you do that, have it at the back of your mind that whatever it is you are putting into these things, you are taking a 50-50 chance. It's a risk you are taking. At the end of the day, there is that possibility that you are going to make something out of it, and there's that possibility that you may not even make anything out of it. Considering the volatility of the market, you can earn something and you may not earn something. If you don't know much about trading, it is not advised to consider taking such risk. What I would advise to do as a newbie, once you make any money from any of these airdrops, what I would advise you to do is have a side income, have a business. Go and start that business, that dream business you have offline. Go and start it. If you need to start YouTube, where you will be maybe paid for partnership, AdSense and so on, or collaboration, or maybe you are creating content for people that are paying you and you need some gadgets to do that, please go and get them and get started. If you need a skill to learn, which is very important, I'm an advocate of skill acquisition, development, and monetization, right? I will encourage you to learn. If you don't know what to learn, drop a comment below this video or just let me know, or check the link below this video. There's a particular platform called SkilMony where you learn profitable skills, how to make money online, and you get better and advance your skill, right? You can get access to the platform. All you need is just to register to the platform and you have access to their courses, every other courses. You're not paying for any course differently. All you need to just register and you have access to all their courses, right? You can check on the description of this video. There will be a link to the site, right? Go ahead, sign up to skillmoney.com and have some skills to start learning so that it will help you. And that can even help you on the Web3 space. For instance, if you're a content writer, you can be creating content on the crypto space. If you're a graphic designer, you can be designing graphics, memes, and so on for crypto people. If you're into video editing, if you can speak, if you can create videos, you can create video content like this. People can even hire you to create content and promote on your wall or on their platforms. There are so many opportunities. All you need to do is try to harness what you know from Web3, Web2 to what is available in Web3 so that you can be part of those that are profiting, part of those that are smiling, not part of those that are regretting for losing one or two because of either wrong investment, wrong choice, or wrong decision, or wrong orientation. It is very wrong. And secondly, I want you to consider learning more about this Web3. Try to learn more about crypto. Try to learn more about blockchain so that when people talk about some certain things, you will be equipped. You will know that yes, this is what this person is saying. And if certain things happen, you know that yes, this is bound to happen, this is likely to happen. So that you be among the informed ones and not people that will rely on others for information. Somebody is asking you what is custodial wallet. You don't know how to define custodial wallet because you don't know, it's not fine. Somebody is asking what's the difference between token and coin. You don't know how to differentiate. It doesn't make sense. Somebody is asking you to send your contract address, to send your public wallet address, and you're asking the person, what is public wallet? How can I get it? What is even a crypto wallet? It's not really fair. So as you are tapping to earn, as you are farming these airdrops, as you are mining them, try as much as possible to learn some of these things. Try to learn, if possible, get a course on cryptocurrency, of which there is a course I created, Beginner's Guide to Cryptocurrency, which is going to guide you about 20-something practical videos that will guide you on everything you need to get started with cryptocurrency, from the definition of cryptocurrency, from explanation of blockchain to the history of cryptocurrency, down to how to create wallets, how to create accounts on centralized exchanges, how to trade on decentralized exchanges, and how to buy or sell coins, and even withdraw to your bank account, right? And also how to stay safe and so on. How to send, how to receive, how to copy address, understanding gas fees, some terminologies in crypto. There's a video I did with over 20 something videos, a course I did of over 20 something videos that is going to help you, and is very beginner friendly, right? Check on the link under the description of this video. I'm going to drop a link to the course. It is also available on SkilMony. If you are a member of SkilMony and you're watching this video, I would advise you to take that course. It's going to help you a lot, right? So what have I actually covered? The essence, the essence of doing the right thing by equipping yourself with the right knowledge, investing into the right things that will help you build assets for yourself. Don't just take money and maybe go and gamble it, or you went and in the name of you want to flex, you buy food, you buy things, you are just changing clothes. It will not really add to you, right? As you take from the market, invest into assets. Buy that laptop you want to buy, that dream business you want to do. If the money is enough, get started with it. If your laptop or if your smartphone is not good enough, it's not giving you what you want, upgrade. Go for a higher version, maybe 8 gig RAM, 16 gig RAM. If your money or whatever it is you made out of it can afford it, please, it is very vital and very important, right? I hope you find this video valuable. If you do, drop a comment, like this video, and if you are new to this YouTube channel, do well to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that once I drop valuable videos like this, you'll be notified and you'll be able to consume them, right? And if you want to join my community where we are assisting ourselves with some of these tap projects, just check under the description of this video, and there's a link there. Just click on it. You'll be able to join my WhatsApp community where we are helping ourselves with updates about most of these tap to earn projects and guiding how to play them and how to even withdraw them once they list. It is very important to stay informed. It is only when you stay informed that you will be ahead of others, or you'll be closer to the right information and you'll not miss it out.